Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you may have guessed, this video today is all about the hair. So let's face it, guys who are losing their hair, your hair might be breaking, that kind of takes away your confidence, and as a model, you want to look your best. You want to have healthy hair, you want to have a healthy overall appearance, healthy skin, and that natural shine. So you guys know me, when I come across any products or anything that I find might be helpful, I always make sure to share that information with you guys on my YouTube videos, whether it's my website or my Instagram. So definitely consider subscribing if you're new to my channel because you're gonna get a lot of information out of me. All right guys, so I recently came across a company in the UK called It Really Works Vitamins. And they actually sent me a 90-day sample pack, which I've been using for the past couple of days. And so far, it's too early to tell, but so far, maybe it's just me, maybe it's a placebo effect, but so far, just from using it for 4 days now, I've seen some improvements in, the shine and the overall health of my hair. And I've noticed that my hair hasn't been breaking as much as it used to. But like I said, it's only been 4 days, so I'll definitely give you guys a more detailed review later on after this 90-day period. So this is a product. It's called It Really Works Vitamins. And what's unique about this product is that it has 22 essential nutrients. Nutrients like biotin, of course, copper, folic acid, inositol, iodine. You have all the vitamin B groups. You have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. All of these nutrients are essential for your overall physical appearance, your overall health, whether it's your skin, your hair, your nails. But definitely all these nutrients are going to nourish your hair and help you have that healthier shine and reduce the breakage of your hair, if you will. So definitely look into this company, guys. It's called It Really Works Vitamins again. Like I said, I've been taking it for a couple of days now and I like it. What I also like about it is that it doesn't come in a gelatin capsule. So for those of you who don't know, gelatin is actually made from pork, I believe. It's actually made from pig. So having something like this is great because it's gelatin free, it's vegan friendly, sugar free, none of that. So you don't get any of that other crap. Another thing that some companies do in their vitamins is that they fill it up with rice flour, right? So essentially you're taking carbs with a little bit of nutrients. And the reason that they fill it up with rice flour is because they don't have enough nutrients and supplements to actually fill up one gelatin capsule. So they have to make it look full. So they add a little bit of rice flour. Some companies even go as far as adding some coloring. And I feel like that's just not cool. All right guys, so if you guys want to check out this product, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. Then feel free to drop a comment. Let me know if you're planning to give this a try. If you guys have something that you're already using that works great for you, feel free to share that as well because there are definitely other people looking at this comments trying to figure out how they can get healthier hair. I know I definitely need to get my hair healthier. I have breakage problems and I definitely want to fix that. So if you guys like this video, feel free to hit me with a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I share content like this on a weekly basis where I give you guys the best tips on becoming a better model and an actor and just improving your overall well-being. So I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Peace out.